of the KHASI to have this cultural center, and I'm happy that finally we're able to do this.
Geological Survey of India GSI Northeastern Region Kalapenlong Yaka Workshop Halor Kapang Hand Holding of Northeastern States on Auctioning of Mineral Blocks has State Convention Center Shillong Kum Shibanta Jangkani ka Jingtmu ka GSI kan Pyntreikam Yaki Rukom ai Jingmaham Lypa Halor ka Jingtwa Khyndew ha Kachala La Pyntreikam Lypa ha Keleng ki District Jangkari Bat Lashna Yakani ka Kor Banwanra ka Jingshngan Yaki Pajba ha Jaka Bala Banchia ka Jingtwa Khyndew Kam Tam ha Kapur Slum.
And we have made it operational in many districts of the country, and very soon we will be doing it for Meghalaya as well. So we are also doing many landslide studies in this part of the country, northeast, and both in Meghalaya, Mizoram and other parts. And very soon we will be starting giving landslide warning also to people during the monsoon season, when mostly the landslides occur.